Hello, everyone, and welcome to another ICC Bite Size where we try to get you small little information about the Congress. My name is Gabrielle, and I'm here with my good pal Alexia. Alexia, how you doing?
Hi, Gabrielle. All is good. I'm ready for today's session.
All right, awesome.
Let's
So,
talk about let's talk
being
about how you can apply to be a speaker.
exactly, and we want people to from all over to share your information, your expertise about your camp and what you've done. So, Alexia, tell us a little bit more.
So, the International Camping Congress has always been about bringing the camp professionals together. Especially this time, we're meeting after 6 years. So, our theme, Fem Piña Come Together to Rise Higher, is relevant more than ever. We need the camp professionals to bring their expertise to the Congress and share.
Yes, and I think it's important to mention sometimes when camp professionals hear the language expertise, it's a little nerve wracking because you think, well, what do I have to offer? These are all experts. And the magic of the International Camping Congress is that what you do at your camp is unique. And so we would love to learn from you. So here's how you can get signed up.
So here are the themes, the four
Mm.
basic themes of the Congress. The first one has to do with the people. Then we have the business side of things. Then we have the program side of camp and the educational aspect of camp. If you are interested in presenting in the Congress, any of these four themes will be applicable to your presentation.
And I think it's a great inspiration piece if you're looking for direction to read below some of the specifics. So check this out.
So here is our website. This is where you go to find the online application to become a presenter at the Congress. The first two text box are a little bit tricky. Pronouns, not everyone knows what this means. So here you complete if you prefer to be called as a she, her, or he, him. And title is Mrs., Mr. I don't know what else there is.
Exactly, and
Uh,
also, and you can also add they them for your pronouns as well. She they. It's what you like people to refer to you as.
Yes, just so we know, because sometimes, with the names that are foreign to you, you don't understand if this person is a female, a male,
Mm,
or other.
exactly. Okay, so I want to, and then it looks like there's a couple of categories. Tell me about present a
So
session.
you can either present a session which is of general interest and is theoretical, let's say, or you can present a research paper which is based on research you have done that is camp related, or you can present a workshop which is hands on. People will actually do things. I presented a workshop on camp games, I remember once in Mexico.
It's yes, and experiential is absolutely wonderful, theoretical, and obviously we love the research. A little breakdown of the times.
So the session is 60 minutes. You want to present for up to 45 or 50 minutes and then leave the rest for Q&A, questions and answers. The same applies to the workshop. And the research paper, you have 20 minutes in total because we want the research committee wants three papers per hour.
Love that. So in your presentation, similarly, you might present for like 15 minutes, leave a 5 minute for the Q&A at the end.
Exactly.
Okay. We're highlighting at the bottom, I see. Why is that?
So let's say first on the top part, if you
Mm,
tick the topic of your presentation and you're not exactly sure, it doesn't matter. Just tick whatever you think, and then we will figure it out together. Session
okay.
title is clear. Session description, you have like a paragraph copy paste. What is the basic information that you will be sharing with us? And the relevance is how this relates to the Congress and the four themes of the Congress. This is just to help out the program committee to categorize your presentation because you know better. But still, if you're not sure, just write one or even two if it's applicable, and then we'll figure it out down the way.
I love that. Okay. What do we got here?
So after uploading a headshot that we will need for the Congress, then in comments there is an asterisk, so you have to write something. If you need, if you are not available on all dates of the Congress, here is the place to specify your availability. Or if you need specific equipment, a magic carpet, for example, this is the place to write it. If you don't have any specific requirements or nothing specific to tell us, then you can write all good or just type full stop and it's okay. Then tick all three of the boxes below and submit form. After you submit your form, you should get on your screen like a little message that says that it has been successful. And then check your email or even your spam folder
Mm-hmm.
for an email from the program committee that we have received your application. Make sure that the Congress email and even the ICF email are in your approved list of emails, so you don't miss anything from us.
Yes.
The next date that speakers who have applied will hear from the program committee is by February 17th, and after that is March 17th. But I urge you to apply now if you are interested,
Mm-hmm.
because the spaces are limited, and we want to make sure that you will be able to present. If you are approved, and after you have presented, you will be you can have you will be offered a stipend from
Stipends, yes.
a
Mm-hmm.
stipend from the committee of 200 euros,
Mm.
and this is per session. So if you're presenting in a session, if we, for example, if the two of us are presenting a session at the Congress, then we get 200 in total, 100 for you, 100 for me. If I am presenting two sessions in the Congress, then I will be offered 200 and 200. But I can accept the first 200 and then say, donate the rest to the ICF Butterfly Fund.
Mm-hmm. And the Butterfly Fund is quite special because it can help people get to the Congress that maybe couldn't afford it, or it goes to academic programs, anywhere that ICF feels like they could stretch those funds. So I think the ICF,
Exactly.
if you're able to, then that's a good place to put your stipend. Okay, so we have some pictures here. What are we looking at?
So here are some of the presenters that have already been approved, and this page on our website will be renewed every now and then. So after the 17th of February, we will have the next round of speakers.
And I like some of
Uh,
these pictures. I think it's helpful to see that there's very clear faces. So if you're able to, get some nice sunlight on your face for your headshot, that's just helpful for people to be able to recognize you.
that's true. And if you have any questions about your application for the Congress, send them to this email, info@icc2023spain.org. And of course, don't forget to follow us on our social media so you get any news and information as soon as possible.
Regular updates, and that's something that you're great at, Alexia, is helping us keep in the loop. So follow on the platform that works for you. And it's, if you just want to type it in as well, it's International Camping Fellowship on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. Very, very easy. Thanks again, Alexia, for joining me today at ICC Bite Size, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.